Check out this powerhouse, the 2025 Ford Super Duty F-550 XL regular chassis cab in Oxford white, ready for any challenge you can imagine. Under the hood, it's packing the legendary 7.3-liter dual equal variable cam timing naturally aspirated port fuel injection V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive beast is equipped with the Snow Plow Package, the Payload Plus package upgrade, and features Sync 4 on an 8-inch screen to keep you connected. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Are you looking for a truck that works as hard as you do? Imagine this F-550 chassis cab customized for your business, tackling the steep grades on the way to mission or hauling heavy loads through the heart of Abbotsford's industrial parks. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile command center for your toughest jobs in the Fraser Valley. It's built for work with the Preferred Equipment Package 660A. You get serious traction from the 4.88 ratio limited slip axle and 225 70R 19.5G black sidewall max track tires. Getting in is easy with platform running boards, and inside you'll find a durable medium dark slate ActiveX interior with 40-20-40 seats, a black ActiveX floor covering, and a convenient interior work surface. This truck is ready for anything with a 19,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating package, skid plates, an engine block heater for cold Fraser Valley mornings, and a trailer brake controller. It also features an aft-of-axle fuel tank, a massive 410-amp alternator, and dual batteries to power all your gear. For safety and convenience, it includes a rear-view camera and prep kit, an exterior backup alarm, remote keyless entry, and 6 upfitter switches ready for your custom equipment. A common question we get is, what makes this Super Duty so capable for tough job sites? It's all in the engineering. This truck is equipped with the powerful 7.3-liter V8, a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission with transmission power takeoff provisions, and the robust 4.88 ratio limited slip axle. Add in the snowplow package, protective skid plates, and the massive 19,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating package, and you have a vehicle designed from the ground up to conquer demanding workloads. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.